like lemons, you're going to love this dessert. It takes a little extra time to make, but it's worth the trouble. Come back for the recipe. Hi, my name is Debbie Covington. I'm a chef, caterer, cookbook author, and food columnist. I live on Ladies Island in Beaufort, South Carolina with my husband Vince and our cat Belle. I've been serving delicious food to fabulous people for close to 30 years. This is my trusty sidekick, Susan DeLoach. Susan is a photographer, good friend, and all-around creative talent. Over the years, we've joined forces on catered events, food columns, cooking classes, and published a cookbook together. Cooking videos are our new project. Welcome to our pretend cooking show. Cheers! Today's recipe is a lemon lava cake. As usual, this starts with a boxed cake mix. So I have all of my ingredients for a lemon cake in my mixer, the eggs and oil and water. So I'm just going to add the cake mix to it and get it ready to go in the pan. So the cake mix is prepared according to the package directions. And I'm going to spray a 9x13 pan. This is a little bit bigger than a 9x13. This recipe sometimes likes to come up over the sides. So if you have a little bit larger pan, use it. If not, just make sure you put a baking sheet under the bottom in case anything decides to drip. So just going to spray it with a little bit of baking spray and pour it into the pan. You can make this with a chocolate cake and have a chocolate lava cake, but it's not the same as the lemon. The lemon is so much better. I've tried it both ways. There's just something about the extra lemon zest that makes this so tasty. And now to make the lava part. I have 2 cups of whole milk. To that I'm going to add a cup of water, a quarter of a cup of lemon juice, a third of a cup of sugar, and the zest of a lemon. You don't want to get any of the white pithy part. Just enough to give it a little brightness and add flavor. Save your lemon though. You can use it for something else if you need fresh lemon juice. Okay, that looks pretty good. And now what's going to make it lava is instant lemon pudding. So I'm going to stir in 2 packages of pudding mix. For the complete recipe and for the sizes of the cake mix and the lemon pudding boxes, please visit my website, cateringbydebbiecovington.com. Whoops. Okay, so we're going to mix this up and try not to make too big of a mess. You can really smell the lemon zest. The oven is preheated 350 degrees. And this takes a while to bake. So give yourself an hour and a half. The cake will take between 55 and 60 minutes to bake, and then you need to let it sit for 20 minutes before you serve it. Okay, so this is all mixed up, and I'm just going to pour it very evenly over the cake mix batter. Very simple. The cake will kind of rise up and make a crust, and then you'll have a layer of the lemon lava. So at this point, this is going in the oven for 55 to 60 minutes. Just kind of watch it, and like I said, don't forget to put something under your pan if your pan is very tight. And I'll be right back. The lemon lava cake has come out of the oven and it has rested for 20 minutes. I mean, it's lava cake for a reason, so you don't want it to be too terribly hot. At this point, all we want to do is just dust it with a little powdered sugar. So, there we go. Oh, I wish you could smell this. My whole house smells lemony. Now I've got to dig in. So you have the cake and you have the lemon. So good. All you need is a glass of milk. You're gonna love this. Try it. Come back next week. Bye. If you'd like to see more recipes like this, please subscribe. For complete ingredients and cooking instructions and to purchase cookbooks, visit cateringbydebbycovington.com.